on the Legacy Trail. So, mayroong 3 trails dito. And yung pinakamahirap to yung Discovery. Why you cry? Why you cry? This is why we climb. So, I'm eating my trail mix. I'm hungry. It's around 10:30. So, mga 8:30 kami nag-start. Mga 2 hours na kami nag-trek. And malapit na kami sa, malayo pa kami sa kakainan. Salamat po.
Tapos po, ang damo po, iipunin lang po.
Hindi pa lang pala itanim mo.
Happy birthday, John!
Hey boy! Happy birthday, John.
Happy birthday, John.
I was able to do 1, 2, and then 3. This is what Doc Nestor is doing. Focus. Tingnan mo kung ano ginagawa mo, kamay mo na yan. So this is my mom.
Pakita natin to.
Saan mo, Daddy?
Pakita natin to.
We just cultivated some plants na pinlant ng ibang tao. And Dad just couldn't stop correcting our issues. We are such disappointments as usual. I'm a failure. Oh no. Last. Open it like how you open a body. Oh. So it's got some chicken, rice, tomatoes. Gusto na yung bigo kasi ang sarap. Okay, ito yung view. Ganda.
John, I have a spray. I can't.
So I'm here right now, resting. And hi Josh! So ito yung loob. Can you show the ano? And meron. So bumaba na kami ngayon. Ito yung view. Ito yung view. So yung Masungi Reserve is actually privately owned except for this trail. So this is the Legacy Trail, tapos government owned siya. Tapos may mga volunteers, yung sila, mayroong mga rangers. Pero 20 pa lang sila kasi bago pa lang siya, like 2 years pa lang siya nag-open.
Mami, ganun kayo magkukulang.
Happy birthday po.
Thank you po.
Cute ni John. Thank you po. So at the end, you'll be given frozen towels. Ah, sarap. Ate, tingin ka dito. Baw ka.
Baw, magbaw ka.
Baw.
Smile.
Baw.
Isang punong gubat ang aming tatanim ngayong araw sa naluray na kabundukan ng Sierra Madre. Tawagin natin.
So, ito po si Josa. Siya po ang aming tour guide for today. Park Ranger. Forest Ranger. So, kapag pumunta kayo dito, you will see her.
Ano din mo na yung mali deploy?
So, we are now on the way back to our resort. Tapos, nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Yes. I'm so happy.
Guys, we're done.
Yes.
Yes! We got a yes from John.
Next time we're gonna go rock climbing.
Validation. Yeah!